Hey, this is Iman Agay, and here are the 8 steps that you can use in 2021 to create and sell online courses super fast. So step 1 is to understand your topic and target market. So who is the target market that is going to purchase your course, and what's the topic that your course is going to be on? If you know that, let's go down below in the comment box and let me know. Now, the second step of creating your online course is asking the people in your target market, what are their challenges and the fears and the frustrations that they are facing, and what are the things they want to learn in your online course. You know, the biggest mistake you can make is to try to figure that out on your own without having conversations with the people in your target market. So find 8 to 20 people in your exact target market and simply ask them, what are your biggest challenges? What are your biggest frustrations? What are your biggest fears about this topic? And what do you want to learn about it? How do you want me to package it? And how much are you willing to pay for it? Now, the third step is structuring the outline of your course. How do you structure the outline of your course? Think homework. You're creating a course, you're not creating a YouTube video. So a course has homeworks per module. Now, we have a complete video on creating the structure and the outline of your course, but simply here is what you think. What are the 4 to 8 homeworks that I want them to do over the course to be able to achieve the results of the course that, based on my market research, they said they want to achieve? Every homework will go to one module, and inside each module, you will give them enough lessons so they can just get that homework done. And on step 4, you put together something called the course one-pager, which simply, it means what's the name of your course, what's the promise of the course, what's the outline of the course, and how much it's going to be. And what you do is that you go to the same people that you did the market research with, you show them your course one-pager, and you say, do you want to be one of the students of this course? And if they said yes, you can give them an exclusive discount, like give them the course at 50% discount, or give them the course for free, or just sell it at 100% of the price, depending on where you are in your career and how known you are. And then you get your first group of students. This is very important because you never want to create an online course without having a live audience for the first time. You want to teach your course and you want to get their feedback on the next step. So you want to make sure that you have some people who are interested in what you want to teach. The second reason is because if you can't find students who want to take your course before you're creating it, who says that if you create a course and put so much time and energy and effort in it, you will be able to sell the course? You know how many online course creators have created courses and haven't been able to sell a single one of them? You don't want to waste half a year creating an online course and not being able to sell one. So you want to make sure that you have people who are interested to get the course, and you want to set a live class schedule to say, I'm going to teach you one class a week. And now that you have a few students in the course, whether they have paid or they are free, now you can start teaching your course one class a week. And during that class, at the end of the class, you get feedback from the students. If they liked it, they didn't like it, is there anything that they want you to change? And based on that, you improve the course. And if you need to re-record it again, you re-record it right away. You don't wait for a long time till you re-record it. You just teach the class, get feedback. If the class was good, fantastic. If the class wasn't good, then you will re-record it right away based on their feedback. And after you recorded your course, you start uploading them to a course creation platform. Now, there are so many of those course creation platforms out there. And even for those of you who are not tech savvy, there are so many of them that are drag and drop, and you don't need to worry about any part of the technology. You can also hire another person to do it for you, but honestly, they're so simple. There's just drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop, and you can use them. One of my favorite platforms is a platform called Thinkific. It is Thinkific. Can you use other platforms like Kajabi or Groove or ClickFunnels? You can use whatever platform that your heart desires. But it's important that you create the course and put it out there. It's not about the platform. It's about your course being out there. And now that you have all your course content on a website, you can put together your sales page. How do you create your sales page? You remember that one pager on step 4 that you use to sell your course? That is the content of your sales page. What's the name of your course? What's the promise of the course? What's the outline of the course? Who this course is for and who this course is not for. All of that goes to a sales page, and you can put that super quickly together. Many of these platforms already have pre-designed templates for course creators. So just put the content together and put it on the platform and start selling your course. Now that your course is ready and it's on the internet and you have a sales page for it that you can sell the course online, now is the time to run traffic to it. And you can do that through running advertisement on Facebook and YouTube and Google and lots of other platforms. Or you can use joint venture partners. These are other people who have a mailing list of people in your target market who say, you know what, I would love to promote your course if you pay me a percentage of your sales. And there are lots of them out there, and you can find them in JV Networks. You can just simply go and search for JV Networks, and you can find many of those JV Networks out there. One of the best ones out there is one of my companies called JV Insider Circle. You can find it in jvinsidercircle.com, and you can find lots of people that can help you to promote your course. Or you can do social media content. So you can create your own YouTube channel or TikTok or Instagram or lots of other things, or be on Facebook or wherever else you want to send people to your online course. Now, obviously, I went through all these 8 steps super fast, but here is what you can do. You can go to ultimatecourseformula.com and you can watch a free 90-minute training that teaches you all the 8 steps in details for free. And at the end of it, if you want, you can buy the course where we can take your hand and help you to do it. Or you can go to Amazon and buy the ebook or the book called Ultimate Course Formula. The ebook of it is only $1, and you can buy it on Amazon right now for finding all the details, the exact details on how to do the market research, how to find people, and how to put together the structure of your course. And I can't wait to hear from you down in the comments below to tell me what's the course that you want to create, what's the topic, and who the target market for it is.